why employment is crucial. Why do we want that workforce should be employed? खाली बैठा है, मस्त खा रहा है घर में, दिक्कत क्या है ना? ऐसा ऐसा हम 20-25 साल का कोई लड़का है, लड़की है, एंड जॉब नहीं मिल रही है, अब मम्मी पापा डांट रहे हैं, तो बोल सकता है ना, घर में बैठा हूँ, ये दूध दही खा रहा हूँ, दिक्कत क्या है? खेतों से इतना काम आ रहा है, खेतों में इतना काम है, रेंट आ रहा है मेरा. What is the problem with unemployment? Problem is, one, it reduces our economic potential. Potential क्या था? Potential when your workforce is fully employed. तो आपका GDP potential reduce करता है, right? आपका economic growth negatively hamper कर रहा है. Good employment situation means workforce is able to produce effectively, leading to economic growth and development. So it is needed for increased economic output. Employment is needed for increased economic output because when all the workforce is working, तब आपका output आपके potential GDP के बराबर पहुंचे. Plus, अब ऐसे ही सोचो, think of this 20-25 year old वाला person जो घर पे बैठ के मस्त दूध दही खा, लाइफ सॉर्टेड है ना? सुबह 10 बजे उठता है, दोस्तों के साथ हारता है, मम्मी पापा के पैसे उड़ा रहा है, फिर रात में 9-10 बजे घर आके खा पी के सो जा रहा है. सॉर्टेड लाइफ है ना? What is the problem? Problem is, if this person was contributing in the production, then our GDP would have been higher, plus he would have earned. अभी ये पापा के पैसे उड़ा रहा है, मम्मी के पैसे उड़ा रहा है, वो लिमिटेड हो सकते हैं, बट जब इसने खुद पैसे कमाए होते तो his expenses, his demands would also have been higher. So when he would work, production would be higher, and because he'll be earning, demand would also be higher, contributing to economic growth. तो why एम्प्लॉयमेंट जरूरी है? एम्प्लॉयमेंट उसके सोशल फैक्टर्स भी है यार, पॉवर्टी में लोग रहेंगे, मर जाएंगे, भूखे रहेंगे, वो सारे एस्पेक्ट तो है ही, बट इन जनरल भी इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट वुड लीड टू बेटर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ द कंट्री, एंड मोर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हैव इट्स ओन एडवांटेज. गवर्नमेंट के पास ज्यादा टैक्स के पैसे, बेटर पर सारी चीजें. देन इट ऑल्सो अट्रैक्ट्स इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. एनी इकोनॉमी वेयर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट्स आर हाई, that economy is considered to be not something जहाँ पे people are interested in investing a lot. Why? Because when unemployment rate is high, it indicates यार शायद skilled workforce नहीं है, isn't it? When unemployment rate is high, it also leads to lower demand, and thus why do a lot of people want to come and invest in India? Because India has one of the largest market size in the world. Demand would be higher. In the absence of proper employment situation, demands would also be lesser, and thus investment opportunities would also be lesser. So it will also lead to lesser investment. Unemployment would lead to lesser investment. Then I spoke about demographic dividend. So in the developmental phase of any country, a situation comes where working age population is more than the dependent population. If at that time working age population is able to get jobs, उस time country का economic growth can happen at a very high rate, and country can easily transition from middle income to high income category. So if we want to fully utilize our demographic dividend, what is needed? In the phase of demographic dividend, we also get enough employment, enough jobs. So employment is needed for this reason, to take us towards high economic growth and eventually towards high income category of country. Then it can also contribute to fiscal consolidation. Government का fiscal burden reduce. Why? When people are unemployed, so when people are employed, सबको सैलरी मिल रही है. जब सैलरी मिल रही होगी तो सब्सिडीज की जरूरत नहीं होगी, राइट? सोशल बेनिफिट्स गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करे, फ्री हेल्थ गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करे, फ्री एजुकेशन गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करे. Requirement for these things would reduce. The government's expenditure would reduce. Government can continue focusing on more infrastructure or those kind of expenditure, and thus which will be good for economy. So these are some economic reasons for why there should be employment, why there should be low unemployment. Then there are social advantages. What are social advantages? It reduces inequality in poverty. when there is employment वाला condition है, तो देखो एक situation है when Mukesh Ambani is running industries with the help of robots. Mukesh Ambani will earn a lot of money, but jobs have not been created. So Mukesh Ambani will keep earning a lot of money, but people at the lower strata will not be earning anything. Will it lead to reduce inequality and poverty? Yes, so employment will reduce inequality and poverty. It can also have, or employment situation can also reduce radicalization and crime in society. In fact, अगर everyone who's part of the workforce is employed, chances that this person would be radicalized to become a Maoist, to become a terrorist, comes down drastically. Chances that criminal activities happen on the road will come down drastically. आप देखोगे most of the time what would happen, आप अगर रोड पे चल रहे हो, कोई आके आपसे आपका वॉलेट छीन रहा है, फोन छीन रहा है, वो पर्सन अनएम्प्लॉयड था, and thus this person was not worried about his reputation, his job getting lost, and was trying to get involved in anything to earn money. तो सोसाइटी में क्राइम रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, सोसाइटी में रेडिकलाइजेशन रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, सोसाइटी में और भी चीजें रिड्यूस हो जाती है. जब देखो आप ना, कम्युनल टेंशन सब होते हैं जब लोग दंगों में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. पीपल हु हैव फुल टाइम जॉब्स, दे डोंट गेट इन्वॉल्व इन दैट. कौन से? वो बर्बाद वाले लोग जिनके पास काम धाम नहीं है, वो डंडा उठा के भगवान का नाम ले लेके दंगे कर रहे होंगे, कास्ट का नाम लेके दंगे कर रहे होंगे, रीजन का नाम लेके दंगे कर रहे होंगे. तो रेडिकलाइजेशन होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे अगर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ज्यादा रहेगा. कश्मीर में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ज्यादा रहेगा तो कश्मीर में यूथ को रेडिकलाइज किया जा सकेगा अगेंस्ट इंडिया. बट कश्मीर में अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट सिचुएशन इंप्रूव, इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज इंप्रूव, तो it would be very difficult for terrorists to radicalize the youth there to get involved in anti-India activities. And then finally, employment also leads to empowerment of weaker section. Because when we're talking about employment situation, weaker section exploit क्यों होता है? क्योंकि in general, traditionally, the opportunities available with them have been very less. They've remained behind for that reason. But अगर अभी women gets equal opportunity to work, employment situation अच्छा है, will she be more empowered? Yes. Dalits, scheduled tribes, if they get opportunity to work, chances of their exploitation would be lower, chances of their harassment would be lower, and they would be empowered. For example, take the case of MG Narega. Before MG Narega was there, workers were forced to work at very low wages because उनके पास कोई और काम है ही नहीं. But after MG Narega came into play, laborers को आप बोलो कि मैं तुम्हें 100 रुपए दूंगा, laborer will say I'll get 200 rupees in MG Narega. Not working with you. Laborers are empowered, which wasn't the case earlier. तो employment की जरूरत इन कारणों. There are economic factors also, there are social factors also. किसी को आप internal security वाला factor भी डाल सकते थे. When we are fighting terrorism, when we are fighting Maoism, are we promoting internal security? Do we get this? Then इसी को ना आप, you could have also written better disaster resilience. Whenever, कैसे? जब आप employed रहोगे ना, there are chances that you will not live in very vulnerable locality. कौन मजबूर है एकदम यमुना के तट पे रहने की, जब पानी बाहर आता रहता है बार बार फ्लड में? People who do not have proper work, people who do not have proper opportunity. Do we get this? So these are some of the reasons why high employment is important, low unemployment is